right, another weekend of football action. Both the CAF Champions League as well as the Betway Premiership took place this past weekend. And hey, man, interesting things happened. Predictions were made, and I don't know if they got them right or they got them wrong. But all we know is that Mamelodi Sundowns has 1 foot in the final. If they do conquer Esperance de Tunis this coming weekend, as they defeated them yesterday with a 1-0 away, and that was a crucial goal. Man, that game was something else. And then back at home, Kaizer Chiefs won, and that makes it their 4th winning streak in a row. And that is beautiful news for the Soweto side. Now, the Orlando Pirates, people are disappointed. I don't know about you, but we'll talk about it right here with the gents. On my left, I've got Junior Kanye. On my right, I've got Michael Nkambule. And remember, this episode is brought to you by World Sports Betting. That is WSB. #WSB. #Bet with the best. Gents, how are you doing?
Santa unjani mfethu?
Nishapona?
Ngiyaphila.
Michael.
Inhleki.
Uhlezi uthi iyadla emnyama, iyadliwa ke emnyama. What do you have to say? Firstly, let's start with a game where they played with Golden Arrows. Abafana Besithende, you gave them the win, but you didn't give us the score. Utabo, on the other hand, gave us the score, and he said it will not be an easy one. Yes, Pirates will win. It will be 2-1, but that score was 5-0. What do you make of that game?
I'm Nhlanhla, njengoba ngihlala ngisho ngePirates, I've been talking ngePirates into ezinhle kule season. Because so far they've been playing good football ngithola wona Nhlanhla ngishilo ngalibona yiba abantu abazozikhawathi eqinene but into engayisho in terms of ama goals le into besilindile ngishilo lento bangakagura ama goal amaningi ngathi asazoza ama goal amaningi yeah
azila ama goal amaningi, and it was 5. Were you expecting that margin though?
Yeah, when I expecting much against the Arrows, to be honest. Yeah. But in the young Pirates, good Pirates, yes, and those guys they can create ama chances. But banga corner, I was here before Bona Guti, but was he look back corner goals.
And what do you credit those goals to? Like, what made them win by such a large margin? Like, was the combination great? What do you credit that to?
No, among like Pirates since from the season it's a team as a group, because it's not a much base of individuals. Okay, con individual brilliant, but monga check the way we move on a corner, you can see good lento le intabari has ayo sinto abavele bayenze ground in terms of ama movement none. Because we can see our strikers, they are not scoring, but midfielders, they can score. We understand. So this is what makes them good. Okay, we can see good day. It's a teamwork now, but Lale is a team. Young John. Yeah.
Hi, Tabo. Okay, you obviously gave it to Orlando Pirates, and you said the score line would have been 2-1.
I said
it wasn't going to be an easy game, and unfortunately, it didn't look like it was an easy game, but the winner at the end of the day was Orlando Pirates, not just with 3 points, but with 5 goals. And after that game ended, it extended their lead in terms of equal difference against Mamelodi Sundowns. However, they still remain number 2. What do you make of that game?
Yeah, I think compliment Orlando Pirates by scoring. I think 2 games were report.
That's 11.
11 goals.
11 goals.
And lezi zinto sizibona kuBayern, sizibona ku Barcelona.
Sure.
And Betway Premiership has never happened for a while. Especially thina ku generation yethu. Yabo. Is I mean ukora we talk about the modern football, which is demand a lot. Modern coaches they want players who are coachable, who can defend and also can score goals. Yabo. Because of now they put under pressure and Kulmanga my coach. So credit to Orlando Pirates I'll be honest to you. And in the Esugbe Nkudu now. Abantu baba nema expectation. I'm talking about their fans. You understand? I think they exposed Golden Arrows. I need to be honest. It's not a bad team, abadlangi team.
True.
Aspe never la mangiting credit to Orlando Pirates abadlangi team. The team that is well structured, well assembled. Yabo, a young and experienced team. Talented players, but they've been exposed. Yabo. Omangoba kule game he was exposed, honest. Nyamthanda uMangoba. he believe in South African players identity but wenza amablanda na taking uSise a quality player like Sise le Senegalese ambeke benchini kule game kunalo mfana ongena second half uMaluleka the left wing back has been doing well for him ambe ngaphandle afakele umfana na 21 and then also and say after game the boy did very well especially younger players experimentile lapho manqoba but that's why a lot of people believe good the game was sell out ibhayisile and but truly speaking akayibhayisanga Pirates the way one like they expose him and also really it's a game that they'll say play of the season I think ushaya stamp lo mfana 21 years ile into engihlale ngisho abantu bakhuluma intenini if you are talented athatsikhathi mangabe ukwenye level nhlanhla izinto singaziforced the boy is one of the best ever talent kule generation akuyo yabo never been loaned out first season he showed one young player of the season ngibuya ranya ikena le nto leyo into angishaya ngama ngithi ngibuya ranya ikena nami ikhanda labalikhulu especially after winning that award to remain humble the way he gel with his teammate yabo has never seen itori ngomfana is so humble everywhere uyambona nase ground in the body language you can tell you want to grow each and every game I think into kumele bayifunde even these younger players is the face of South African football honestly the generation abancane also the senior players in terms of the field I think they need to learn from him so ulamfana udlala irole enkulu in Pirates kulama game la usikhuluma ngawo wonke la Pirates wawinile scoring so many goals ukora how many goals yabo 2-3 kusiza how old is he
like he scored
how old is he and also compliment the police yabo 30-second chance grab it with both hands he was developed by SuperSport he went to Polokwane sort of success kangini I mean Pirates ayifani club nje sesikhuluma ama resources when you go there the level psychologically mala you understand but ubuyile wathatha life yakhe serious look wa police and ukuthi is a second player after second best for me for really because if akayenza really uyenza mabayenza bayenza boy2 and also international way yenza so another top class player now come back strikers Evident Makgopa and Mbuthuma niyabona ama midfield yakora nina hayi ngitshele last isiqoqa lapha e-studio kuthi Ski TV ngithi mina le concern ungayidelela i-concern kunamama bheki Sundowns yesterday the striker came and raised his hands we talk about Leo he came and score cause manga go Renas two top strikers I mean Nhlanhla uyathanda uthanda Benzema at Real Madrid
you
need Benzema you need Lewandowski at Barcelona so kune game ezoba tight whereby rely top striker you understand ngisayiphinda nama letting Mbokazi go Pirates and blind
letting Mbokazi go letting Babasa go you always say ukuthi like that has been the biggest
ngizoyiphinda kaningi sound boring but Leon Mbokazi bayilando yamfanile man the chairman the director bekumele babhayile umfana idladla boy me it's yours we sign it belongs to you Nike represented you and honestly speaking is boys wami season mayiphela because we deserve lezo zinto bengalozanga how old is he there's bright future ahead of the boy ngiyazi ukuthi naye I speak to his agent bezwenzeka Nhlanhla and
bezwenzeka
we like it or not like
didn't not see ukuthi mara at the time bamhambisa ne okay without him mhlambe makangekho there were games junior where they were doing well 2-3 games nyana makaqeda ukuhamba it felt like you know what iPirates ihlangene and then right now we seeing the cracks Michael you nodding why
no phela Nhlanhla nenye into kumele siyazi ne bamthengise ngesikhathi esi-wrong uMbokazi because noma ungadlala uwine 2 games after uMbokazi but kumele ucheck i-different ayenzayo ukuthi okay ngwinile but what is the different ayiletha uMbokazi phela uMbokazi was bekaletha into eziningi lapha ku-Pirates one-on-one in terms of defending defender Masateka is one of the guy that is giving us some forward passes whether left or right uyakwazi ukuswitch amabhola uyakwazi ukushama sibiza ngewindow ukwazi ukuphula iwindow lo yamfana we understand so he was giving them like another advantage he can score goals we understand so That's why sisho ukuthi I like ukubona bamhambisa ngiyababona abanye unhlanhla mabasa ngiyezwa bayakhala ngaye.
Maru Junior is saying something that you're also saying. When ukhuluma nge-defend, ekwazi ukukora amagoli. You're talking about ama midfielders, akora amagoli. Where are the strikers?
Yeah, ibhola nenzeka nhlanhla njengoba ngisho like indlaba ngazi ukuthi nowalo like mhlambe makase training like how does he try ukuthi manage le striker because number 1 into ekumele icheck uMbuthuma is coming from Richards Bay.
Sure.
It's not like ukuthi a player like ubuye team ine pressure whereby you come to Pirates la khona is competing for the league. Ama supporters afuna league and then you can see the boy okay umzamile umboost confident wamdlalisa but akakori wangamrest kancane at least ubuyisa evidence. You understand? Because manje angeke imele le pressure Pirates is one of the team ukuthi ama supporter wakhona wa jokes. Once you play bad they are coming for your head enhlanhla bazokubulala labantu laba. So I think yena umcoach bengithi lento uzoyimanage kahle amnikeze rest sometimes am use as ama sub mhlambe bekazombooster in terms of confidence because now udlale bo 10 games how many goals everybody uzocala question
nenye into nhlanhla honesty it was unnecessary for Pirates to sign ngamlale
Deal.
unnecessary. Even this guy lo buya ku Desan. It's unnecessary. And then let Mabasa go. Udlalisa this guy is like number 10 as a false 9. Doesn't make sense. Yabo, that's why ngithi wadu kunabanye abantu they are good for certain teams. Yabo, nekunzima ukubona wadu ukuthi unzima nayo quality because Kucha one of the best talented team mfethu. Yabo, I mean Pirates they can do. I mean you need a coordinator. Mina ngihlale ngisho ama team nanjengalawo kufuneka i-coordinator mfethu. A coach that will take decisions. Yabona mfethu not in experience plays a major role. Le marathon akusi game whereby akusi Nedbank or Carling. You play 3 games and then you on the final. There will be questions about you play home and away. And for a longest time, not 3 games, 4 games. So not in a bad way. Wadu a bright future ahead of the coach, make no mistake. Yabo kuna mama decision ngimshade izandla whereby he won the game on the bench. But sometimes he was getting away. Now you understand. Wadu honestly masengiba nje nevar. Njengayo le game le yeswelele le bayidraway. Udlale without a striker. You understand and bengasi yokuqala futhi. You understand. And uyazibuza ukuthi une striker awuzidlalisi zoyi2 evident makhopa nokuthi balethe go ezomabaso mina nemabaso I will say it. I mean a clinical finishing. You understand ngezwe abantu bayikhuluma naye be ukuthi is a 9 whereby this guy yena evident makhopa that will go and bully you and make you tired. When you check tactically and technically both of them you can't let Mabasa go. Always on the box uyazazi a striker. Evident runs all over. Bullying doesn't give you goals. Because bantu ba remember angimkhumbula umuntu obhulayo. Even in the history of Orlando Pirates they said so Vilakazi is a all-time goal scorer of Orlando Pirates because of scoring goals. Kamala Kelde. Abantu remember the person who make a difference by scoring. So Mabasa was giving any dimension Orlando Pirates. Sometimes in ngisho personal vendors. Yeah, we don't know what on the field na off the field umchitine bekayenza but esibonile mina mabangathi ngijudge base a content of goal of the season even when Sundowns went top never find this guy who evident abakuleyo nto leyo yabo he scored 3 goals in a season yonke 2 goals and then they but check this thing with the vital games Sundowns Chiefs score it doesn't work that way. Yabo lo a contender a season whereby he scored 10 goals mhlambe a top striker will score this season 15 goals Morocco no contender we understand so it's unfortunate for the guy and ukuthi bamlethe go naye udlala indima enkulu lwamfana ukuthi bamambise honest enhlanhla and enye into to rely on this kid or Lebohile Mofokeng. This is a young player osesenendlela ende ekumele ayifunde yabona is doing so great at Orlando Pirates but some teams will manage that. I think ile nto yenzo lo coach lo Papi what it is Papi udlalele ibhola the way you are playing determine your coaching career. I mean Papi into yenzile uthe they rely kulo mfana so menza sure so we're going to make sure uyodlalela fane pali yabo we're going to manage this boy le base this was valid yabo we'll ask our wingers to come in here and our impact probably to go up there you understand and obviously our wingers nabo sobacela ukuthi banga drop all the way so banika settings you understand areas ekumele ba drop until kiwo and then we break Pirates because our wing backs yazi this guy usibelebele he's gonna call out because the Pirates the right side the understanding between Sibelebele and this guy Apolis it's better than on the left hand side which is Umremi naye Udo which is nginokukhuluma mina nange always chemistry understanding I think ngiyanceda the side the Orlando Pirates umanage lona le side yesibelebele yabo le la ka right ukuthi okay siyayibona on the left hand side you find this guy Mremi la kumele adlale khona 1-2 he shoots lewa police iyalithola decision making ipunishiwe yabo and Sibelebele ngale energy uphinda incede Orlando Pirates and they played this 1-2 dangerous you understand but now Sibelebele mawacheka ngale game le bayidraw uthola chance inhlanhla there's a reason ngihlale ngisho mina kulama team lawo babuya kiyo boSibelebele wingers kune reason why Pirates team converted to a right wing back by checking decision making le ball elishaya goalkeeper album vital critical phase of a game uyalitrapper libuya ku rebound buyisale ball ukora kanjani lapho ngamanga kahle any angle ngoba lela goal if goal done bengeke ibuye I mean this team we talk about Richards Bay you understand yeah
Michael, a disappointing draw for Orlando Pirates, dropping games at a very crucial moment. What happened there?
Mina player lokuqala ngizolisingela out inhlanhla was disappointed ngalo it was uApolis. Nyamuzu akauthi bammanagile uRaylo. Okay, uRaylo bammanagile because when that boy makasebholweni kakhulu it cause much damage, you understand? But into engisho ngithi into ebengidisappointed ngoApolis kule game ne. No coach umkhiphile and if I was even more disappointed about that umkhiphelana because abo njengoba basho ukuthi there's Rail and there's Apolis. This guy is somebody sometimes if this one causes havoc sometimes mangabe lona akekho lona uyamassist yabo but kule game Apolis into engizokhala ngayo in terms of bekahlala kakhulu ebholweni.
Okay,
you understand yeah like uthathe isikhathi okay into ahlala iyenza leyo yabo but njengoba nje Richards Bay njengoba basho kudlala home and away abantu they plan for you they will know ukuthi okay babonile ukuthi okay laba what they do kuwa police akathanda ukurelease ibhola uthanda ukuhlala nalo so every time akane ball kunjani phela udangerous police can give good passes he can shoot at goal like une technique it's a complete player but kule game wele wafuna ukuyithatha ngenhliziyo you understand sometimes maliza one touch bangakwazi bangacream ukuthi like uzoyenzana you understand but now uyabuya futhi wenzana uyakora uyabuya coach yamkhipha but after ukuphuma kwakho ubonile Pirates yenzana azange sakhona ukufunction mabaletha bafaka uDijong nani but into engikhala ngayo ngePirates kakhulu inhlanhla emuva inhlanhla amaculprate inhlanhla that's why mina ngikhala ngokuthi ngikhalela umbokazi kakhulu if you can check ngale game abayidlalile le first goal Richards Bay it's a set piece uCM is alone there njanje ukuthi nje bamtshele simple thing but naye uCM is a professional player even if akutshela ngokuthi you are alone or what angeke uthathe ibhola ulibisele into play inhlanhla you suppose ukuthi lela bhola aliflick into corner bafaka under pressure kulela bhola because mozokora i-team edlala low block ikora kuqala is going to be a problem inhlanhla and then the Pirates ngaba if you can check kule game they were playing with speed like azange bathi athizitshele ngamanzi mfana lento ukuthi they in the rush you want to score I think the 11 goal awayikora ngale 2 games yele abakhawatha ukuthi we still going to score another 5 in this game but if you can check speed bebafuna ukudlala ngaso like some of the games you need to relax if especially abantu badlala low block you going to make ama decision wrong kakhulu because bakulindile labantu anytime is not like bafuna ukupress and so bafuna ukwenzani ukuthi okay nizoza kithi sizokubamba ngecount yangitshona and then enye into engikhale ngayo futhi yabona Nhlanhla man usibisa ubhodlela man nayi man I think man Pirates mina kule game ukuthi ngikhipha police mina bengizomane ngikhiphe no compromise and usibisi and then ngithatha utalent ngimbise lapha emuva mhlambe ngifaka umuntu ofana noSipho because we need somebody who control the game we need Pirates yamdinga umuntu onjalo you understand okay abo Masindi badlala they are good but monga check intelligence yakhe naka Sipho is totally different. Sipho can play under pressure uyakwazi like you understand he can turn he can create he can shoot nayo Sipho into ayipossessayo naye ke he possesses a lot of things but ngizokutshela nje uWard I was disappointed nami ngocoach wami man kule game le ye Richards Bay yeah
and also Nhlanhla ilebe ngikhuluma ngayo the experience between Sundowns and Pirates yes you talk about Grant Kekana and Kipidu yesterday two center back sikhuluma ngamanje spine the goalkeeper China the blunder lens in the second goal blunder lile I mean le ball balishaya straight we are move when and then it looks like a pretty goal we understand well done to the boys the technique with the target but the goalkeeper blunder lile I mean blunder and Pegusiem very talented player good player but inexperienced for such a marathon yabo understand ngoba le ball nje obasho uMichael you screen da we'll guide we'll take alphumela ngaphandle simple we understand you lose the game bengamelanga ne lose like it's a loss for Orlando Pirates draw you understand and for the fact you be chase the game never just be chatha le game ile take ground in I think Pirates were frustrated and then into the game bedlala ebusuku be quick man right Michael mina ngihlale ngisho ngosipho umbule yes might now magangena look heavy mawungadlali psychologically will be damaged if you coach I trust kunezinye izinto noma singazazi uzozenza nhlanhla you are forced a person can force you to do izinto wrong akusi easy yes is a professional player need to respect his job but what makes Sipho to gain weight akadlali abamspanisi we understand psychology you don't mina ngibuya kulama situation njengabo Sipho whereby nobody wants you we understand whereby yes behavior abakufuni because of mhlambe what you've done previously behavior ye life yakho but now the boy based into sesibone ground in come from AFCON angeke abomasindi baqale against like qale bona you can as asho Michael ezinye izinto ingqondo kaSipho no Masindi energetic and stuff that's not the talent into you are, this boy is born with the talent. He come from AFCON now. And then you can't start ngaba bomasindi. Usipho if iparity am trusty coach. Yakutshela nhlanhla pay in mind even nabo Mkwena the way ba I know is one of the best midfielders currently. Mara ingqondo uSipho nayo. The gift totally different. Le amfana le bekazoyinceda iPirates in terms of the composure decision making playing under pressure ukudlala kulama tight situation scoring goals is technical very good as well angakudecide uSipho trust game like angakudecide so aborile bamnidi umuntu ozobaphumuza like reserve that pressure ngoba uSipho angeke I don't think there's a coach that will allow Sipho to have the ball more. You understand? Ngoba le pace behind it can punish you, can score goals as well. So uwari nokuthi amthathe nje amgcina ambeke la. Mfana yamlimaza lo mfana. People can say heavy is no longer the same. True, I agree with that, but why? The coach
was not being utilized.
Especially amagame nanje Nhlanhla this way you need the brain Nhlanhla bona okay siyazi nokusho umuntu must work hard but kwamanye amagame kula kufuneka khona ingqondo because i-Richards Bay nayo lento ehlakaniphe ngayo lento aqeda ukuyisho bahlakaniphela lathi okay laba siyabazi they've got speed bathanda ukudlala ama-shot bathanda ukwenzana nenzana asibayise ground elincane sobona ukuthi soba it's easy to contain ground elincane because to cover ama distances it's very easy angeke ukhona ukubona abantu abafana nabo umremi basebenzisa speed but now coach yiyo amagame akumele nawo usebenzise ingqondo you know uyodlala epitch encane you can't have umremi keep him as an impact player mhlambe game enjalo if you wanna understand this is where uzonila botito because those guys they are intelligent bona ngokwabo intelligent kufuneka ingqondo in a small field we need ingqondo than umuntu osipana kanzima you understand because la space is ncane Nhlanhla anytime you receive a ball uba ne pressure anytime you receive the ball uba ne pressure
so basically the coach failed the team
the coach even some players minusibisi vele give me culprit a big blunder yabona honestly yabona usibisi Nhlanhla there's a lot of things azenza is wrong. This boy is covering him and is more of a young player that came to Orlando Pirates fitted like a glove. We are complimentana na this guy Umbogazi, you understand? They are both technically very good, also tactically. Those are two developed players. The other one come from TS Galaxy. The other one is a developmental Orlando Pirates. The SBC experience they are now. Even na World Cup manje mina bengizovana uKipidu noGrant Kekana honestly usibisi bengizomuntu kancane between uGrant thingithi uGrant yes I will start with him Kipidu just come from an injury they playing Champions League usibisi man we let it down Orlando Pirates nangale game le Orlando Pirates ne Sundowns ngiyaza kuplay uCM da but sibisi mfethu amanye ama game I mean as a leader wena uyiGrootman man kulomfana leadership where's that you understand elinye play ngifuna ukucompliment Orlando Pirates talent battle yamfana lo yabona ngiyazwa wonke umuntu that's why mina ngithi content of midfield of the season Mkwena yes number 1 number 2 Marcelo Allende 3 ngiyamfaka lo mfana utalent ngiyeza wonke umuntu akakhuluma ngaye I was one of the person that was very critical mara into enhle emele ngisho I mean he hardly lose the ball he can defend, he can attack. He score goals.
He does.
He decide game engine Orlando Pirates. So ene ngiyabona udlala limele idolo. You understand? Ngifuna ukwazi that boy if bekadlala noMbuli.
What was going to happen?
Ngoba
yeah.
Like lama injury abanawo. He develop the job. Mfethu umbule mfethu uSipho naye mangabe khonta yenza which is angike sure. Akayi reserve but why bamkhipthile Orlando Pirates kusho ukuthi ayikho into wrong. Mfethu ngicela ba rely kuyo uSipho noma ngabe yabo towards this season uyayinida ingcondo like uMichael Asho. Hlanhla yabona kule room singakhuluma sibe yi20. Sikhulume 3 hours. Ukhuluma amagama ayi3 wena ungakhulumi la towards sesiyohamba. 3 wait. Angasiza ukuthi le project sustain asithi mhlambe sirun icompany sonke sikhulume the whole day wena towards sesiyohamba uthi sorry kancane nivala umnyango 1 2 3 4 uthola ukuthi that thing will sustain the company. You understand izinto ezishiya abanye abantu hayi ukuthi azikho important. So ingcondo man ayilomfana man Pirates they need to believe in him. Lo mfana ngayisiza Orlando Pirates. Ngicela ungitrust even now. Le ngcondo leya. Hlanhla lo mfana can help Orlando Pirates to sipho.
I think nakule game mina for mina yabona makakhipha uApollos for mina I was going to rest uyena uSibisi uBhodlela and then take uTalent ngitalent hamba uyicala from him because it's comfortable than uSibisi akekho comfortable ipressure mayiza you can see ukuthi uSibisi is not comfortable mina for mina njengoba ngisho into engizoyenza iPirates man ayidinga umuntu yabo njengamanje ucoach into angichaze ngayo umphumuzile uMakhawula is not ukuthi uMakhawula is a bad player but iPirates is not a team ekumele imakhe that much because they always possess a threat gain. They are a most attacking team like PSL. He team like ezoku attacker for 90 minutes. So I think nakule game into bengicabangela ukuthi udana ukuthi ukhipha police. Mina bengizomrest uBhodlela ngitrust was uBhodlela ngitshela uTalent phera no CM in terms of sesikufunelana masicala singabe ne problem even if noma kuzi pressure very comfortable uTalent. Then we introduce uSipho no Masindi. Tshela uMasindi uzoba i-destroyer and kule 2 and then you allow ukuthi usipha enze into ayifunayo.
All right, so that was the game Richards Bay, right? And then team yenu gents lenikhulele kuyo no2 Kaizer Chiefs won their 4th consecutive game and they were playing that game. It was a very tricky one, Junior, because Begneta is Olo and people did not give Kaizer Chiefs a benefit of the doubt, but they came in, they scored the 2 goals that was much needed and they boosted them again ukuthi bahlale ku number 3 and they still have a game in hand as well as Mamelodi Sundowns as well, but they still have a game in hand. People are saying no, they might mathematically push themselves to be number 2. Mathematically speaking, they can still also take the lead. I don't know what you guys say about that. Michael, why? Do you think, okay, fine. Let's talk about that game, Kaizer Chiefs and TS Galaxy. TS Galaxy, people are saying TS Galaxy is not really showing up if they want to do anything in this league. They first lost to Orlando Pirates 6-0 and now they're losing to Kaizer Chiefs 2-0. People are saying TS Galaxy is not a team that should be losing with that margin against those teams. What is going on?
Yeah, Nhlanhla yazi umuzi nomuzi uyaba nenkinga nethi nje thina noma masingaphandle ngeke sibone ukuthi kwenzakalani but umuzi nomuzi ukuthi baluze kanjena ngeke sithi shutha mhlambe kunenkinga nabo ngaphakathi because wena ungakubona umndeni estradini ubona ngathi ba happy kanti ngaphakathi inkinga ezikhona yabo so ezinye zezinto zikhostwa lokho mara but mabaluze ku Pirates 5 and then angeke bazothi baluze. We are talking about the big teams now akufana ukuthi baluze ku iqiniso like kumele silisho ukubona baluze vele. Okay, Chiefs nayo on the other hand they have to ukuthi bawine because igame yabo busifo njengoba busho bebayiwina lena because nabo monga bacheka Nhlanhla this season Kaizer Chiefs they were not that bad at all. It's just they were not monga cheka baqale kahle. It's not like they are a bad team as much as njengoba sihlale sisho but the problem is one angisho siyazi ukuthi iChiefs is a big team. Siyazi iChiefs where
so it
like
shouldn't be bad.
You understand that exactly into esihlale sifuna ukuyibona like ukuthi bawine but manje danger yamanje njengoba soqala ubala ukuthi ama points they can win number 2 they can finish number 2. My danger is one into ezenzakala ngeChiefs manje they're going to keep those coaches manje because manje babona ngathi bayenza kahle enhlanhla yabo, like bangakhohliswa yila ma results. I-Chiefs like mele manje into ekumele babe happy manje isikhathi sokuthi manje bakhona ukubheka sonke isquad ukuthi ubani esizomgcina makuphela isizini, ubani esizomhambisa, who are we gonna bring as the new players and the new coach, because akwamanje enhlanhla singakhohliswa ukuthi sizoba wina sithi mathematically phela you must know ukuthi hayi ukuthi iPirates izodrop. Do you think iPirates izodrop? Do you think iSundowns izodrop?
They're already dropping points.
Yeah, but they only badlala draw enhlanhla. And the monga check gap between bona manje. Do you think iPirates izodrop for the next 4-5 games? Sundowns will drop points in the next 4-5 games. Enhlanhla ezinye izinto like now me lose bag and now would like
But they've already dropped points. That's the thing, and a very crucial point. Ngesikhathi kungamelanga badrop any points.
It's difference between the Pirates and the Chiefs manje.
Okay, it's 13 points, I think.
13 points.
Yes.
Akusukudlala
Yeah.
enhlanhla. 13 points akusukudlala enhlanhla. iPirates the way idlala ngakhona enhlanhla. Asukudlala. Even aku Richards Bay njengoba ngisho enhlanhla badlala i-draw badropile ama points but ngishilo ngathi bona lento bazozikhawatha bona. iPirates izozidla yona. They're gonna take i-league bayinike iSundowns bona ngokwabo. Ngoba njengoba ngisho ngibheka mongachecka nakule game eRichards Bay if you can check. Bobona ukuthi labantu laba bebafekile enhlanhla. You can bona ukuthi iPirates izolose but ngendlela beza ngayo uba nebelieve ukuthi abazokora. Bheka bakorile zathi 2-1 bese kunalento ukuthi angeke babuye kule 2-1 but they came back kule 2-1 futhi yabo. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi if usiyama kule la bhola lapha mhlambe u defend like properly iRichards Bay azange correct cala bekuzoba ne problem lapha enhlanhla. Understand? I don't think ukuthi nayo iPirates abantu abangadrop ama point iChiefs izibakhave. No, iChiefs like this season i-team esingasho ukuthi bebabuilder but akusi team esingasho ukuthi enhlanhla for ukuthi bangacompete enhlanhla. Iziprovile lento season iqala enhlanhla.
Basiprovile season sapha.
Yeah, basiprovile enhlanhla. Manje abaye ku Champions League.
Says, and I don't know, Michael, yes or no, you can just tell me, right? Junior has always said ukuthi the one thing ezoshaya iPirates, the experience and lack of depth when it comes to them having that mentality yokuthi bagijime babe nale ngqondo yokuthi no siyagijimisa lento siyoyina. So that is the only thing eshodayo Orlando Pirates. It's that winning mentality. You were talking about inconsistency yabo ukuthi okay bakore 6 and then 5 and they came with that mindset. So that again also maybe contributes to a lack of experience, because like you're saying ukuthi bekudingeka ukuthi ba relax bangene kule game and actually rest certain players, allow certain players
Game management. That's what game management enhlanhla sibiza kanjalo. That's how we must know how to manage a game. If iPirates yangena lapha eDurban yabuya na 3 points nga 1 goal, it's fine. We come back, we celebrate, it's fine. We are still there in the race, you understand? Njengoba ngisho ukuthi lento yala ma goals 11 goals in 2 games, I think ibabulele kakhulu. And manje phela Richards Bay nayo ukhumbula even now ama chances kuma counter chanja zange babe precise. If they were precise ngabe bayibulele nabe Pirates in terms of lama counter wabo. Njengoba ngisho ngithi iPirates still the 4 defenders azange ba compromise any defender, but Richards Bay was able ukuthi babambe ngama counter. That's why ngithi mina for mina why not compromise one defender if still is sesena 4 ema defender with but Richards Bay sakwazi usibamba ngecount. Why not compromise uSbisi and have uSipho and have extra option offensive wise in terms ukuthi sithola ama goals, because manje i-reality enhlanhla abantu abachase na be-league akusabantu nyana ukuthi bangalontuza. They are very strong and manje nabo bathola form nini in the second round of the season where it matters most enhlanhla. Yeah.
Junior, we deviated a bit no Michael sagcina sesibuyele ku Pirates, but we were on the conversation about Kaizer Chiefs. So bawinile abafana 4th consecutive game 2-0. Michael says ukuthi they are not doing badly, but for a big team like you're always saying ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs is not a team where akumelanga sithi at least mara bazame. You know, they should be a team that actually wins. They should be there really chasing for the title race as well. But now, mathematically speaking, now we have to take out the calculators and then, like, you know, decide whether they'll go through or not. What do you make of the game against TS Galaxy?
Yeah, I think compliment Kaizer Chiefs by winning 2-0. Yeah, whereby Kumbula, the supporters went there, boycott. And then after that, I think they won 4 games in a row.
Sure.
Especially Zandla. They never
so
won.
So, supporter, Bawazul.
Yeah, I'm going to show something. Yeah. Well done for them, especially coaches and players. Yeah, both for doing that. Well done, honesty. And the game on Saturday, it was yesterday, not Saturday. I think they weren't convincing. TX Galaxy never show up. I'm not too sure about their body language and stuff. TX Galaxy ban a problem. You can tell. Got beaten by Orlando Pirates. Yes, they meet Pirates at their best. Pirates that can afford to compete on abantu abazikahle. Pirates good, they will never drop points. Pirates is called a national team core. Individual brilliance as well, top class players in terms of talent scouting. Inhlanhla amasesiba neqiniso nje Elvar. Like Michael said, iskele manje sesenze iskele la yabona man South African media singayenzi kanjalo. We're saying Kaizer Chiefs can go to number 2. Pirates drop a point. The way you are playing determine your future. Now, we should do the udlala amakhona yasitshela ukuthi uzoyenza kanjani. Not Pirates bad. By dropping points, akusho ukuthi Pirates are bad. We are talking about decision making. Between Pirates and Sundowns, I think decision making. The game the Pirates won 5, Sundowns won 1-0. And then at the end of the day, Sundowns they took it by 33 points. Yeah. And the Pirates got carried away, honestly. Like Michael is saying, it was 6 and 5. Right. Now they're distinguishing with that. Yeah, I understand. I think anyone that will come is actually for 5. You understand? We are on the right track. Rushing, nalentole which Baba when this thing which in goal different. We don't want to compete with Mamelodi Sundowns. And the coach in Mhlambi we call a leader as a coach, technical team. We emphasize good chance of scoring a goal. You understand? Honestly, ukubuyela kule topic Kaizer Chiefs. I don't think Kaizer Chiefs can sit at number 2. But number 3 is true. I'll give compliment to them. They've improved too. And improved Jobo Michael Asho. Improvement, man. Accenting winning a trophy. And now saying into those players they play with less pressure. They play for number 3. Confederation nalon diskelem yabo singayifihli ukuthi if bebadlalela something like a cup and say push them, the question is bebazokhona ukuthi they were going to do what they're doing now, because this season Michael they won 4 games kunama game bawina 4-3 games and then come and lose 2-3 games as well. So bengitshela uRob Marawa bengilapha ku Marawa TV Marawa show I think on Thursday or Friday ngithi Rob Kaizer Chiefs they need a coach like Pitso now. You come and bring Pitso now and say, Coach, I'll pay the team. Now, not season my pay. Now, watch on the stand. You understand that Pitso watching the games. Yes, because she's watching Betway Premiership. He's a typical South African coach. One of the best coach for me. He's arrogant by doing the right things. Going and say, Lona, Chiefs is clapping good. The reason given my expectation for them. They can't play for number 2. And number 3, they can't. But this season, credit to Kaizer Chiefs. They've tried by all means, winning games whereby there was no one a chance. Marivaro Gucci, they shouldn't be playing by number 2 or number 3. We must play Gucci each and every trophy. Sure, you understand? They were defending champions, they cup in a bank, and then they lost their first game this year. Bama defending champions. As in the Melissa's come and lost at Orlando Pirates 3-0, whereby you came from 2 games win in a row. Because my expectations isn't as usual you want to get exposed. Jobang Shabazo keep telling my coach and same players. Besebata sign a strike, problem is strike. Because they can do that. Yabo. Ucholuta Babe realistic. Kaizer Chiefs there's many players that need to be let go. If honest, they need money. I'm a player. Then even these 2 coaches, you just leave them. I got it. And bring a coach that will give a checkbook, a coach that will lay a proper structure, a coach that will sign players that deserve to play there, a coach that sign players that go and compete with national team. Because currently they don't have a player that they will go to World Cup even, and coming to even a good qualification. I'm qualifying. I mean to say. In AFCON World Cup, there was no player for Kaizer Chiefs. So the reality is, Umnyango national team, Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates and Sundowns, Umnyango. You can't go for Amazulu wherever TX Galaxy while there's players there at Kaizer Chiefs. So yeah.
All right. Talking about World Cup, talking about qualifications, Mamelodi Sundowns has 1 foot, possibly, in the Champions League final. Right? They went and scored away at Esperance de Tunis.
The Tunis.
And jeez, man, they showed up. They played against like unfavorable conditions, but they still came out on top. They still came out and won the game. They were winning the game from the beginning up until the end. They wanted to win, and they won that game with 10 men after Krankekana was given a red card. Michael, what do you make of that game?
Champions mentality. And that's why Sundowns. They've been doing this for the past 8 seasons.
Yeah.
Singakhuluma say these guys like they are not scared. Bakwazi ukungena le Egypt ekhaya le alali badlale lento abayifunayo.
Yeah, I think
like ayikho into eba-intimidate ngangitshona nhlanhla. So into esingayisho manje but nomunye umuntu ekumele simshayele izandla ucoach Mikel Cardoso.
Yeah.
Must give that guy a round of applause nhlanhla. Like they were managing a club sonke besimfuna hambile nhlanhla because besithi uyayibulala iSundowns but sibona i-different Sundowns manje nhlanhla. Yeah, because he was able, even if nomi Pirates la kuleague imnike this run ukuthi azeni azange ayiwine like but we can see ngendlela adlala ngayo. Check the schedule nhlanhla udlala 2 days, 1 day before mele travel mele wenze the way amanager ngakhona, the way the team like there's no different nhlanhla. Njengoba ngisho ngithi like yabona yena uyakwazi ukumanager even in game management uyakwazi ukumanager. They went away bathola red card but still bakwina positive results. But I don't think experience izophuma lapha eLoftus. No, ngibabona baphuma
Sanhla mina ngithi bhale phansi nonkululeko ayithola imibolo. Bhale phansi they're going to win the Champions League and Betway Premiership. Ngithi mina uyibhale phansi. It's going to happen. Because going there to Esperance, the 4-time champions of this tournament.
Yes, they are.
To win this tournament, win the game 1-0.
At home, at their away.
Who scored? The striker.
Yes.
A difference between them and
The
Orlando
beautiful
Pirates.
pass from Umuren.
Why played Mrena? Nami ngimshayela izandla. Mikel Cardoso. Everybody was saying why starting Mrena while he's not playing even regularly. Ngikhuluma ngeBetway Premiership. Nakule tournament akadlala. The coach risked and say yabona i-difference between him and what? I think it's experience Cardoso. He's so experienced. We were composed to listen. He never listened to media and South African people. He didn't care anyway. He was very arrogant and saying, the way I'm going to do this, manage this, and I'm going to win. And Ngobanama was critical to him, the way he came at Sundowns, reshuffle his in. Do you understand the way Sundowns they were playing? But now, as we never, he beat Orlando Pirates where it was matters most. I think it's where he won the league. You understand? And he won a couple of games and he went back. How Sundowns play. You understand? You want to be just about results, let's get results. And now he went back and say, I've got my results. Now I'm so bringing down the club. And also credit to Mtsipe family bringing surprise there. You understand? Because I saw the article the other day, at the way team playing. It must be somebody who installation. So the identity of the team. They went there yesterday. I mean, ngikhuluma nge-identity. Ngihlale ngisho nhlanhla mawudlala so miss chances or you get concede. You can able to check and say lana ku video analysis. I problem beda. Angazi ngibamba. So, yeah, honestly speaking to you, I'm fit. Well done to Mikel Cardoso. Well done to Chapelo Mrena. Well done to Defensa Sundowns. It's a compliment. Phela kusi red card yokuqala na quarter final umdibu uthole red card. And away and they went and win. Mentally Joba Michael ngihlale ngisho a championship mentality, also seasoned players. Intwana Nhlanhla, you can have talented younger players, but intwana Nhlanhla man, umntwana like the age never lie. The age ayigamba man. The experience life in Nhlanhla. I can't say Nhlanhla we equal 7 lapha in KV now. Bese ungizwe. Uyahamba uwanga le goal 7 Nhlanhla Kevin. Uhamba ngo 260 speed song. And then last year and then Magni goal 7 now. This year, I don't think you can go at the same speed. But the Umuntu that went theoretically, as a play, Mabanda by theoretically, is Keras Paligil. Go there, Ozokchelu fuck me, I can go there. The moment I got mean I'm sober minded. So experience could take nothing away from experience. So experience you can't buy it. The Sundowns have got experience and credit to technical team by signing experienced quality players, it depth as well. And they know how to manage their squad. Sundowns Bagwin 11.
No, they're on a different level altogether. Yes, Katsasambile, I don't know, do you want to squeeze in the predictions? Because Kaizer Chiefs is in action this week. A quick one.
Makesi,
yeah. Eli Makesi is bottom placed. They've got like a game in hand as well. I don't know, because Magesi, it's Orbit and Orbit as well as Marumo Galanza par when it comes to points. So give me just that prediction.
Yeah, i-Chiefs izoyiwina le game. Makhesi inenkingeni ngibabukelile nayizolo. Kunini Saturday and Sunday izoyiwina i-Chiefs. I-Chiefs abantu abanjengalaba, what I love about them, inyoka mayifile bayibulala. Bayigciba ukuthi ingavusi inhloko. They're going to win that game. They might win 2-0, 1-0, honestly. Honestly, yes, they can still win that game because Makhesi inenkingeni kakhulu. And ngibona uJackie Dwaba as the general manager also assisting on the bench. Ikutshela ukuthi kunenkinga enkulu ku boardroom emuva.
All right, Michael.
Amakhosi azobajabulile.
Ngababuyile wabona.
Ngabuyile amakhosi.
All right, that is it as far as the Junior Kanye TV episode for today is concerned. Remember, this episode was brought to you by World Sports Betting. #WSB, #BetWithTheBest. See you next time. Danko.